Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song and we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's get into it. So for guitar 1 for our intro, and this is all going to be palm muted on the 4 and just play the G power chord once. Then we're jumping to the B power chord and we're doing 2 bars of 8th notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then go to the G and do the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then just go back to the B and we repeat that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and to the G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're going to have these volume swells. We're just going to play 12 on the B, 10 on the E. Turn your volume up, turn it back down. Then we're going to bend 15 on the B, bend and release. So you can start it, turn your volume up, release it. And then we're going to do the same on 12 on the B. And then the last one, 14 on the E, same again. And they're all our parts to the intro. Then for our verse, guitar 1, we're going to be palm muting the whole way through again. Start on the D power chord for 2 bars and our 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go back to B and do the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and repeat that again, back to the D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then go to the G and we're going to do 2 bars there again, 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the B, this time just for a bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to the E for a bar. 1 and 3 and 4 and up to the D for a bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to the G for a bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the D for 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now guitar 1 just repeats that all again. So let's have a look at guitar 2 and this starts the 2nd time through. So we're going to play 6G, 7B, 5 on the E, then go to 7G, 7B, 5E, 7B, 5E and we're doing that 8 times. So 8 times there, then we're jumping back to the 4th fret on the G, 3rd on the B, play 5E, 3E, and then back to G, 4, 3, 3. Then go back to 3G, 3B, 5E to 3E, and then G, 3B, 3E, 3. Then just play a D chord. We're starting on the sus4, so 2G, 3B, 3E to 2E, and then just hold the D chord, G, B, E, B. Now we're coming back to first fret G, third on the B, second on the E to open, and then just 3B, open E, 3B. Back to the D chord, this time just a G, B, E, B, G, B, E, B. Then play the open G, open B, second fret on the E, opened E, and then open B, E, and B. Back to the D chord, G, B, E, B, G, B, E, B, and again, G, B, E, B, G, B, E, B. And now all the parts to the first verse. Then for our chorus, we're just playing our D power chord again, 2 bars, 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to F sharp, same again, 2 bars, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and do that again, the D, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the F sharp, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're doing a bar on the G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then finish on the 5th fret on the A, 8th fret on the D. Weird sounding chord there. Then we're going to do 2 palm mutes on the G, so we're starting on 4 and then back to the B for 2 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to the G for 2 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and repeat that again just from the B. So it's the same as our intro, 3 and 4 and to the G, and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're going to start on 7, G, 5, B and E. Hold for 2 bars, then go to 6G, 7 on the B, 5 on the E, hold for 2 bars and then repeat that again, 2 bars, 2 bars, then we're going to 5 on the D, 4 on the G, 5, B, 5, E, and we're holding for 1, 2, 3, 4 and on the end we're jumping to 7G, 5 on the B and 6 on the E. Then to finish the chorus off we have 6 on the G, 3 on the B, 5 on the E. Then go back to 4 on the G, 3B, 5E, 3B, 5E. And we do that 8 times. 8 times there. And that's our first chorus. From there we go back to our second verse and we're just playing the second half with guitar 1 and 2. For our second chorus, guitar 1 and 2 play exactly the same, but just play it through 2 times. And we have these little fills coming in. We're going to be on the G string, 6, 7, 4, 6, and then 7 on the D. And then back to G, 6, 7, 4, 6, and then go 5 on the D. Then we're going to do 2, slide to 4 on the D. G, 4, 6, 7, 5 on the B. Then go back to the first one again. 6, 7, 4, 6, 7 on the D. Back to G, 6, 7, 4, 6 and 5 on the D. Now our first fills. Now let's have a look at guitar 4. So we're going to start on the G power chord and just build up for a bar with our 8th notes palm muting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then just play the D power chord, palm mute it, do an upstroke on the 7, B, G and D, 2 palm mutes, and then play the D power chord 2 times. Go back to an F sharp minor, we're going to play the chord, palm mute on the E string, do an upstroke from the B, 2 palm mutes, upstroke, 3 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go back to the D, play the power chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then just play it 2 more times. Back to the F sharp minor, and we're going to do the same we just did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Then finish on a G chord, but just play down to the G string. And then slide up to the 7th fret on the A string. And that's guitar 4. Now let's have a look at those last little fills in the second chorus. So we're going to start with a bend and release on the 2nd fret on the D. Play open D, and then on the A, 4, 2. Then the next fill we're doing 2, slide to 4 on the A, 7 on the D. Then the last fill right before the solo, we're going to bend the 2nd fret G, then bend and release, 3 on the B, 2, slide to 4 on the G. And they're all the parts there. Then we have our solo rhythm, which is also our outro, and we'll do our solo after this. It's just the same as the intro again. Back to the B power chord, 2 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to the G, the same. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just keep repeating that to the end. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start with a bend on the 5th fret on the B. While the bend's up, play the 6th fret, then bend and release the 5th fret again on the B and pull off to the 3rd fret. Then 5B, 5E, 2 on the E, 3 on the B, 4 on the G. Slide up to the 2nd fret on the D, 2nd fret G, to D, 4, open, 2nd fret on the A, slide to the 2nd fret on the E, then start on the E, 3rd fret, A, 2nd fret, open D, 2nd fret G, 4th fret on the D, 3rd fret on the B, 2nd on the G, 5th on the B, 2nd on the G, then do 5, slide up to 7 on the B, play 5 on the E. So that part slowly. then back to the B, 7, 8, 7 on the E, do a half bend on 9 on the E, then just play the 9, 7, and then 7 on the B, slide up to 7 on the E, play 10 B, 10 E, play the 7 on the E, and slide down. Now we're going to jump to the 14th fret on the G, bend, play 15 on the B, play the 14 again while the bend's up on the G, and then 15 again on the B. Play the 15 again on the B and slide back to 10. 9E, back to 10 B, 7E, 7B. Then we're going to do a bend and release on the 9, pull off to the 7 on the G, and then just 9, pull off to 7, 9D, 10 on the B, 7 on the G. Then we're going to slide up to 6 on the G, 7B, 7G, start on the G, 6, 7 on the D, 9 on the A, and then slide up to 9 on the D. Then we're going to have 6 slide to 7 on the G. We're going to bend the 9th fret on the G, play 10 on the E, 9 on the G, 9 on the E, 7 on the G, 7 on the E, then do 10, slide to 12 on the B, play 10 on the E, then we're going to bend the 12th fret on the E 2 times, then release the bend, pull off the 10, and then 2 more bends on the 12E. Then while our bend's up, release it on the 12, play 12, 12 slide to 10, 7E, 7B, and then to finish off on the E, 9, hammer onto 10, and 7 on the E. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Eye in the Sky Guitar Lesson by the Alan Parsons Project. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.